Q is primarily a scientific organisation with 200 years worth of information. We are probably the world's largest DNA database. We have people collecting here from Livingstone to Darwin, so we've been here a long time. We're one of the leading botanic gardens in the world. We have about 1,000 users within Kew and Wakehurst, but our reach is much further. We are a worldwide resource. We have teams of people all over the planet collecting information, and we needed a way for them to be able to connect and communicate.
With Office 365 and OneDrive and SharePoint, people will access their files, whatever device they have with them, wherever they're working. So whether that's at Kew or the jungle in Sumatra, they can get that data back to Kew instantly and communicate with colleagues immediately.
Sometimes when we're collecting specimens and plants in the field, it can take us 3 months or so to get those specimens back to the UK. If we can actually provide the information in a live environment, it will enable that identification to be quicker and will enable us to actually change our thought processes in terms of how we continue with the engagement.
There are some benefits logistically. We don't necessarily have to have all our experts go to the particular location. They can work from Kew on data that's been freshly delivered. We don't need to worry that people are pinging emails back and forwards with attachments. They can work on the same document and they can do that simultaneously, which is a great advantage for us. Skype for Business and Office 365 has really changed the way that I work, and I know that colleagues around the organisation have found the same thing.
It enables us to bring in specialists to work on a particular problem in a collaborative way quickly. If we suddenly have a meeting and we decide that there's some information we need, then sometimes it's easier just to actually ask somebody, bring them into the conversation and get some of the decision making done and some of the analysis done. It's better when you can actually see them face to face, and when you can share the screen that you're looking at, then that seems to work really well.
One of the highlights of the whole Office 365 environment is the presence information. So I can easily see when people are in the office, when they're away, and I know whether I can find them face to face or whether I can send them a quick instant message.
We're in the process of implementing Microsoft Dynamics as part of an overall strategy, and we really want to understand our customers better. We want to know the people who visit Kew. We touch them at various points in the process, of whether it's at the gates or whether it's in the shop or online. We want to capture that information and use that to be able to market more professionally.
OneNote's been great for users to capture meeting minutes, for example. The way you can annotate them, you can go back and edit them easily, you can add images, you can add documents. So for scientists to be able to collect ideas and notes together in a single place is a real advantage.
What we actually have in the collections, it's of world importance. It's something that would be impossible to recreate. One of the things that we were very keen on with Office 365 is that we could actually keep the data secure, that we knew that it was protected. We didn't have to worry about some of the larger security issues.
The main consideration for us in IT is to maintain a good service for our users. So with Office 365, we know that it's very reliable. It's ISO 27001 compliant, so this was an ideal solution for Kew. We found Silversands really easy to work with. They were flexible, they responded to our needs. It was clear that Silversands really know their stuff, and they've been very important in the success of the project. They've helped us achieve everything that we set out to do, so it's a great relationship.
The programme's going really well, we're excited about where it's going, and we know that we've got some amazing products. We're starting to see some real benefits, and watch this space. I think it's going to be an amazing story.